Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming accounts and hardware so the process is immediate. Sign into Apple Business Manager and verify your admin role. Once done, open Apple Configurator 2 on your Mac. Connect one device with a cable and enable DFU or recovery per model. Make sure to have a current backup. Use the Devices window to add the device, then choose Prepare and select Corporate or Automated Enrollment so the device appears in Apple Business Manager. Next, you assign devices to the correct MDM server and apply a blueprint. In Apple Configurator 2, pick Prepare, enable Supervision and Automated Enrollment, and select your ABM server. You may need to add that server certificate first. Once selected, apply a blueprint that installs enrollment profiles, apps, and restrictions. After the prepare sequence completes, the device is automatically assigned to Apple Business Manager and queued for the MDM, finally, you complete activation and verify enrollment. Power on the device with network access, so Apple Activation contacts ABM and your MDM. Once activated, confirm the device appears under Devices in Apple Business Manager and is assigned to the correct MDM server. If the device fails to enroll, rerun Prepare, check that the server certificate in AC2 matches ABM, confirm internet access during activation, and ensure the device's serial isn't already claimed. One tip: remove and re-add the server cert if assignments won't stick.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.